waterfalls. It's around the hotel we're going to be staying at. A big storm is blown in, and we're just waiting to see if we're going to be able to get on one of these helicopters. Look at this group is getting off just in time. But I bet that's just an amazing experience to be able to get up there. So we're going to wait here a little bit and see if the rain slows down. If there's a storm blowing over the waterfalls right now, see if that blows over. And there's an option for a 10-minute ride and a 35-minute ride. And this guy's just leaving, so that's a good sign. Maybe he's getting gas. Got some heavy rain here. I don't think this is actually considered the rainforest. But looking over the top as we flew into this tropical deserted area, all you could see was trees. So as far as I'm concerned, we're in the rainforest. It's raining. Cataratas. Hope I said that right. Cataratas, Brazil. Iguasu Falls.